Alright, so this is how I install ghosteshop. And this is basically the only way to install DS games directly to your 3DS home screen. And yeah, let's just get started. First things first, we're going to go into System Settings. Then we're going to go on to Internet Settings. And we're just going to make sure that we are connected to the internet, because you will have to be. Connection test. Let's just run that real quick. There we go. Boom. And you will not be needing a PC for this, by the way. Just if you're wondering, but I do have a PC in the background because you will need a QR code on FBI to download ghosteshop. Then I'll also show you how it works and how to install games that you, of course, have to first legally obtain, of course. And yes, let's just open FBI. There we go. And then let's go into Remote Install, Scan QR Code. I'm just going to scan the QR code. Boom. Press A. And now you can scan this QR code too. Just make sure that the screen is in the right resolution before you download. Boom. And now we're just going to give this a second because it does take a while. Just let it do its thing. And there we go. Now let's just go home. Boom, and ghosteshop is right there. There we go. Now let's just open this. The generic ass homebrew comes up, as always. Let it just update and do its thing. Might take a little while. Boom, reopen. Yeah, so it had to update itself even though I installed the latest version. That's weird, but that's how it is. Damn, it does take a while. It does take a while. Gotta have patience for the good stuff, I guess, because trust me, this is good stuff. This is one of the most essential apps, really. I'll probably like make a video soon with most like essential 3DS apps, and yeah, this is definitely in the top 3. Like I would say like HOP is probably first, maybe even top 2. Like yeah, this probably like second, and then Twilight Menu would be third because Game Boy games and all of that. But DS games are like one of the most important things. Yeah, probably like either second or third for this app. But yeah, let this just load. There we go. Now it's done. Just go through the spreadsheet if you want to look at that. And yeah, it's officially downloaded. Geometry Dash? Really? God damn, yeah, there is a lot of stuff here. And yeah, if you want to just search on things, you can just like, I can just search Mario, for example. And yeah, things pop up. And can't really comment on this. But there's actually also Game Boy games here, and Game Boy Color and Game Boy Advance, which I did not know was here. So I guess this is like the second best. I don't think you even need Twilight Menu, to be entirely honest. Wow. It's impressive, actually. It's actually crazy I didn't know about this for so long. Let me just download a game. And yeah, it did download it. Virtual Console. Let me just open that. Of course, obtained this legally, of course. Yep. Okay, Game Boy player, actually. Damn, I have actually never been into this. When you're finished playing, press home. Yeah, this actually works. Crazy. But, yeah. I guess take what you want from this video. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching, I guess. And, if you want to, like, stay up to date on 8shop, this app, Ghost eShop, and, wait, did I say Luma 3DS? And Luma 3DS, 8shop, Ghost eShop, and Luma 3DS. If you want to make sure you're up to date on the latest versions on those apps, subscribe, because I do update people on that. I make videos for that, exactly. So thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.